नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम देखने वाले जो पाठ का नाम है बोलो कौन है। हेलो चिल्ड्रन, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न लेसन नंबर 3 बोलो कौन है। सो चिल्ड्रन, what you are going to learn from this lesson? You are going to learn how to question and how to answer for that question. Let's see what. So children, here are some pictures. Let's see what is in the first picture. So children, who is in this first picture? This is a picture of a boy, isn't it? So how will you ask who is this in Hindi? For that you should ask यह कौन है? It means who is this? Yah means this and kaun means who. Hai means is. Okay, present tense. So you should ask yah kaun hai. It means what? Who is this? Yah Shankar hai. So this is the answer for this question. Who is this? This is Shankar. Yah Shankar hai. This is Shankar. So what is in the next picture? This is a picture of a girl, isn't it? So yah kaun hai? Again, who is this? Yah ladki hai. It means what? Ladki means girl. So yah means, already I told you, yah means this, isn't it? So this is a girl. यह लड़की है. So this is a girl. Who is this? यह कौन है? यह लड़की है. This is a girl. See what is in this picture. This is a picture of a cow, isn't it? So देखो वह क्या है? What is the question given here? देखो वह क्या है? देखो means what? See. वह means that. क्या means what? So see what is that. देखो वह क्या है means what? See what is that. वह एक गाय है. That is a cow. What is the question? देखो वह क्या है? See what is that. वह एक गाय है. That is a cow. See children, in this next picture we have picture of a elephant. 2 elephants are there, isn't it? So what is the question given here? वहाँ क्या है? वहाँ means what? There. वहाँ means there. So वहाँ क्या है means what? What are there? What is the answer? वहाँ 2 हाथी हैं. There are 2 elephants. वहाँ 2 हाथी हैं. There are 2 elephants. The next picture, बोलो वे कौन हैं? What is the question given here? बोलो वे कौन हैं? Say who is she? So who is in the picture? She is a teacher. A picture of a teacher, isn't it? So वे हमारी अध्यापिका है. वे हमारी अध्यापिका है is the answer. Here we should not say वह. Okay, you should say वे because she is a respectable person, isn't it? Teacher. She is a teacher and she is an elder. So you should say वे. वे हमारी अध्यापिका हैं. She is our teacher. हमारी means our. अत्याबिका means teacher. Okay? So we are showing respect to her, isn't it? For that you should place a dot on the top of the letter hai. Okay, for plural as well as to show respect, you should place a dot on the letter hai. So how should you ask this? बोलो वे कौन हैं? वे हमारी अध्यापिका हैं. Say who is she? She is our teacher. Next, what is the question? अध्यापिका का नाम क्या है? So, she is a teacher, isn't it? So, what is her name? So, how will you ask that in Hindi? अध्यापिका का नाम है. What is the name of the teacher? How will you ask? अध्यापिका का नाम क्या है? अध्यापिका का नाम प्रिया जी है. What is her name? Priya. The name of the teacher is Miss Priya. So, अध्यापिका का नाम प्रिया जी है. Here, what is in the picture? See, some boys are playing in the playground, isn't it? So, this is a picture of a playground. Some boys are playing. So, what is the question? लड़के कहाँ हैं? लड़के कहाँ हैं? लड़का means boy, singular, and लड़के means what? Plural, boys. कहाँ हैं? Where are they? Okay. So, लड़के कहाँ हैं means what? Where are the boys? Okay. So, लड़के मैदान में हैं. मैदान means what? Playground. So, boys are in the playground. लड़के मैदान में हैं. लड़के means boys, मैदान means playground, में means in, and high means or. Okay, here already I taught you that. See here, this is a plural sentence, isn't it? Boys, we are talking about boys. Boys means plural, isn't it? So we should place a dot on the letter hai. Okay? So this hai is what? Are. You should say are. Okay? So boys are in the playground. See here, in this picture, two girls are reading something, isn't it? So, ladki means girl, ladkiyan means girls. Girls, plural, isn't it? So, what is the question? ladkiyan kya karti hain? ladkiyan kya karti hain? What are these girls doing? What is the meaning of this question? What are these girls doing? ladkiyan kya karti hain? Okay. So, what is the answer for this question? ladkiyan paad padhti hain. Girls are reading lesson. These girls are reading lesson, isn't it? So, ladkiyan means girls, paad means lesson, padhti hai means they are reading the lesson, isn't it? So, karta you should write for boys. That means singular. If it is a boy, you should write karta. Here we have girls, isn't it? So you should use this word karti, okay, for girls. So hai again we have with a dot, isn't it? So it means are, okay. So ladkiyan kya karti hai? What are these girls doing? ladkiyan paad padhti hain. These girls are reading lesson. Next we have yahan kya hai? What it means? What are here? Yahan means what? Here. Kya hai means what? What are here? Okay. So what is the answer for this question? Yahan 4 घोड़े हैं. Here are 4 horses. How many horses have been given here? 1, 2, 3, 4 horses are in this picture, isn't it? So, यहाँ here 4 घोड़े हैं. 4 horses are here. Okay. Here are 4 horses. कुत्ता कहाँ है? What is the next question? कुत्ता कहाँ है? कुत्ता means what? Dog. So, where is the dog? कुत्ता बिल्ली के पास है. Dog is near the cat. कुत्ता बिल्ली के पास है. बिल्ली means cat. So, pass means near. So, this cat is near the dog, isn't it? So, you should say कुत्ता बिल्ली के पास है. Dog is near the cat. Next, कुत्ते कैसे लगते हैं? Okay? How do you feel about dogs? कुत्ते कैसे लगते हैं? Okay? How do you feel about dogs? So, kutta means singular and kutte means plural. Okay? Here we have 3 dogs picture, isn't it? So, you should say kutte. Kutte kaise lagte hain? So, lagte means feel. Okay? So, how do you feel about dogs? Kutte अच्छे लगते हैं. Dogs are good. They are good friends for us, isn't it? They are very friendly. So, dogs are good. Next, how should you ask this question? किताबें कहाँ हैं? What is in the picture? There is a table. On that, there are so many books placed on the table, isn't it? So, there is no one book. There are so many books placed on the table, isn't it? So, it is plural. Books. That is not book. This is books, isn't it? These are books. So, you should say kitabein. Single book, you should say singular kitab. For that, plural kitabein. Okay. Kitabein kahan hain? So, where are the books? किताबें मेज पर हैं. Books are on the table. So, मेज means table, पर means on. Which means books are on the table. किताबें कहाँ हैं? किताबें मेज पर हैं. Okay, children. I hope you understood this lesson. Here we have exercises of this lesson. First, what have been given here? Shabdat. Shabdat means, you know that, meanings, isn't it? So, here are some Hindi words. For that, English meanings have been given here. What is the first one? Yah. Yah means you can say he, she, it or this. Vah means he, she, it or that. Okay, that you should say vah. This you should say yah. Okay, and also it denotes he, she, it. Okay, both yah and vah. Next, ve. Ve means what? Plural. Or if you want to show respect, you should say ve. Okay. So, ve means what? He, she with respect. Okay. If you want to show respect in the sentence, you should add ve or ye. Okay. For ye, they or these. Okay. It means what? They or these. Ve means he, she with respect. They, those. Yaha. Yaha means here. Waha means there. Kaun means who. Adhyapika means female teacher. Maidan means ground. Kaha means where. Got it, children? So, abhyas. Abhyas means what? Exercise. So, first one, uttar likhiye, answer the following. Okay, children? For these questions, I'll send you fair note for these questions. There, in that you can write answers in your fair note. You can copy from that file. Okay. Here, second Roman is what? रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कीजिए. रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कीजिए. First of all, let me read these questions. Okay. कुत्ता कहाँ है? किताबें कहाँ हैं? वह क्या है? ये कौन है? अध्यापिका का नाम क्या है? कुत्ता कहाँ है? What is the answer for that? कुत्ता बिल्ली के पास है. किताबें कहाँ हैं? किताबें मेज पर हैं. वह क्या है? वह एक लड़का है. ये कौन है? ये हमारी अध्यापिका है. अध्यापिका का नाम क्या है? अध्यापिका का नाम प्रिया जी है. So these are the questions, and for these questions you can refer your fair note. Second Roman we have रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कीजिए. It means what? Fill in the blanks. So first one is what? लड़के dash में हैं. So लड़के, where are the boys? They are in the playground, isn't it? For playground you should say मैदान in Hindi. So लड़के मैदान में हैं. These are the answer. See here, answers have been typed here. Okay, refer this. लड़के मैदान में हैं. What is the second answer? अच्छे. So what is the question for that? कुत्ते dash लगते हैं. कुत्ते अच्छे लगते हैं. Dogs are good, isn't it? So लड़कियां dash पढ़ती हैं. What are the girls reading? What are the girls doing? They are reading the lesson, isn't it? So लड़कियां पाठ पढ़ती हैं. वे dash अध्यापिका हैं. वे हमारी अध्यापिका हैं. She is our teacher. किताबें dash पर हैं. किताबें मेज पर हैं. So last Roman we have third Roman. चित्र का नाम पहचान कर लिखिए. Identify the picture and write the name. So you should identify the picture and write its name in Hindi. See what is shown in this picture. What are they? They are books. Books are on the table, isn't it? So you should write मेज or kitabe you can write. Okay, a table is here. You can write मेज or books, kitabe. Okay, here I have given मेज. Okay, you can write मेज. And the next picture we have a picture of a boy. For boy you should write ladka. Okay, what is the answer for this picture? Ladka. And this is a picture of a girl. For that you should write ladki. Ladka means boy, ladki means girl. The last picture we have a picture of a cow. That is guy. So you should write guy in the place given. So children, I hope you understood this lesson. Keep on practice by reading and writing all the exercises given in this lesson. Thank you children for watching this video. Be safe, be healthy. Bye.